Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. Good morning, Diamond. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello, are you there? Diamond? Where are you, Diamond? Hello, 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 hello. Nice to meet you, nice to see you. Hello, hello. Oh, I thought it's Dalio. Okay, you first. Okay, so since it's you first, we are going to make a mind map. Do you remember your past lesson with me?
Okay.
So what was your past lesson with me? It's all about, we talked about hogs. Do you remember? Do you remember hogs?
Mm,
No? You don't remember it?
I don't know question.
Okay. Last time we talked about the lesson hugs. Do you remember? Do you remember? Dalio?
Mm,
Lần trước chúng ta nói về bài học ôm, bạn còn nhớ không?
Okay. Are you there? Hello, hello.
okay.
Okay. So what you need to tell me, okay, what's the importance of hug and when do we need hug? Write your answer in the chat box and excuse me. I will just go to the toilet. Okay, Dalio? Okay, okay. You
Mm,
understand, right? Okay, excuse me. Just write your answer in the chat box, okay?
okay.
Okay, thank you. Excuse me. I'll just go to the toilet. Please write it.
Mm,
I'm back. Are you done writing? Huh?
Hmm?
Are you done writing? Not yet? Okay, okay, take your time, no worries. Then I'll check your grammar.
I don't know.
You're not writing? Just try, okay? Just try, write the importance of hug and when do we need hug. Example, I need hug if I'm really, really sad. Like that. Okay?
Okay.
Just try. Then if you have the idea, just try to write it, okay? Because I'll check the spelling and the grammar as well.
Hmm. I don't know.
Huh? You don't know? Okay, I'll change my question. Why do you need a hug? I'll change it. Why do you need a hug?
Hmm. I don't know.
Okay. So here's the thing. People needs hug when they feel down or they are really sad. You understand this one, Dalio?
Hmm.
Do you
Oh,
understand?
no.
Huh? No? How about this one?
Okay.
Okay. So, but you need to try. Just give me one sentence about hug. Just give me one idea. Give me one idea about hug. Okay, just one idea. What is it? Just one sentence. Try to come up with an idea, Dalio. Give me one idea.
Oh, okay. I'm writing.
Okay, you have an idea now?
Okay, I'm writing.
Ah, okay, okay. Need a hug because long time no see. Okay, okay. So just a little bit of correction in here. Okay, you said need a hug. Can you say that? We need a hug if we haven't seen the person for a long time. Okay. It should be like this. Okay, so let's proceed in presenting now your what's that? You're still writing? Oh, there's no more. Okay, so present now your mind map about hug. Present. Present
Mm,
now, Dalio.
we need a house if we haven't I seen the person for a long time.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So since we still have more time left, so let's proceed to family and friends. Do you have any question? You have any question?
No.
No. Okay. So if you don't have any question, let's proceed to family and friends now. We are now in page 40. Can you see it? Okay. So we have here first word. Read all of this, Dahlia, then try to use it in a sentence. Okay, so let's start with the word. This one, please.
For
Okay, use it in a sentence.
mm, the the horse.
No, no, no. Fork, fork first. Fork.
Okay, okay, okay.
Try to
The
say it in
ho-
English. The
the horse is corn by fork.
what? Really? The horse eat corn by fork? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Next.
Mm, uh, the weather the weather is a horse.
Mm-hmm.
I drink streams
Where's the stream? That's straw.
straw.
Say it again. The weather is hot. I drink. I will write, okay? Hold on. So
Okay,
you said the weather is hot. I drink a straw. Am I right?
okay,
Like this, Dalio?
yes,
Okay, a little bit of correction. It should be the weather is hot. I drink using a straw. Okay? Read this one,
okay.
please.
The
The
weather the weather is a horse. I drink using a stream
straw.
straw.
Okay, next word, please.
Uh,
How do you read this one?
mm, mm, the lion is the lion have the big paw.
The the lion have a big paw. Am I right? Okay, correct. Next, how do you say this one?
Mm, yeah.
He is what?
Yeah.
Yawn.
Yawn.
He yawns. Can you say he yawns?
Yawn.
Okay. Now read this one, please.
Where?
This one. Can you see it?
Mm, look at the dog. Is he drinking with the stream? Is he holiday the stream? Which is he to pond pass? Look at the horse. Is he holding a fork? Is he eating corn with the farmer work?
Okay. Very good. Good job because your enunciation is doing great. Okay, so let's proceed now. Can you tell me? It's so funny. What's the horse doing, Dalio?
The horse is corn by a fork.
Okay, good. And what is the dog doing?
The dog, uh, the dog's drinking using pass.
Huh?
Stream.
Straw.
Straw.
Okay, good. So let's proceed now in here. So read the chant, then circle the words with or and o sound. No. Let's circle the add one out. So for example, fork, sport, paw. So fork and sport have the same sound. That's why paw is the add one out. So 2, 3, and 4, circle the add one out, Dalio.
Mm, mm, what is it? What?
Okay, circle the add
What?
one out. The word that
Okay.
have the okay. Okay, draw, short, stroll. Okay, correct. Good. All right, so yawn, horse, corn. Very good. Paw, straw, fork. Wow, good job. Nice one. Okay, very good, Dalio. Good job. Now let's proceed in here, okay? So complete the words with R on O sound. So you need to write it, okay?
Okay. Wash.
Here, you need to write. Write.
Okay. Mm, Fork.
Four. How do you spell fork?
Mm,
How do you spell it?
O
O,
and
then
O and
O, then
mm,
what is the next letter, Dalio? You don't know how to say it? Can you write it, please? Are you writing?
mm,
You're writing now?
writing.
Yes, here. You need to write your answer here. Oh, what is it? Ah, or. Sorry, sorry. Okay. Or, yes. Next. Three. Three is
Mm,
still or.
Okay.
Then, four. What is your answer? Okay, correct. Yes. Next, number four.
Mm,
Good. That's four. Okay. Then, number five. Okay, very good. So that is yon. Nice one. Okay, so now we have here, we call this some emotions, okay, or adjectives. Now use this in a sentence. Dayo, first we've got,
Angry.
okay, use it in a sentence.
Mm, mm, he is angry.
Okay, he is angry. Next.
Um,
How do
mm,
you say
he,
this?
he is scared.
Okay, next.
I don't know free.
Free. I need to be free. Free me from the stress life. Oh, sorry. Miễn phí.
Miễn phí.
Okay.
Okay, use the word free in a sentence.
Mm, mm, the monkey mm, free The
The monkey free the
free the cave.
the monkey free the cage. Is it like this? The monkey free the cage like that, Dalio?
Yes.
Okay. Can you say it like this? The monkey is free from the cage. Now read.
The monkey free is free from the cave.
You understand, right? You understand? No question? Okay, next. Sorry.
Mm, mm, mm. I'm sorry.
I am
First,
sorry. Continue. I am sorry. You cannot see it. Wait, wait, wait. Okay.
because she, she is, mm,
She.
I don't know.
Okay, that's fine. She broke the vase. That's a vase. Okay, since we're running out of time, Dalio, so great job. Can you please call Diamond then click again the link, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Goodbye.
Bye.